This is what happens when you don't have your shop entirely set up the way you need it, and you really got to change a fuel pump. As you can see, we have cleaned the frame of the vehicle. It's looking pretty nice. I'm probably going to paint it up because we got some rust showing through here and there. I have removed that pesky little locking device on the spare tire that is always inconvenient when you're flat on the side of the road and you have purchased your vehicle secondhand. Typically the keys to unlock those locks are not provided in the purchase of a secondhand vehicle. I went ahead and pressure washed everything down, got everything cleaned up. Gonna do some touch-up painting there. Kind of scratched a little bit on the body when I lifted the bed off, but other than that, it was fairly simple to do. The hardest part was getting the ladder rack off, which is probably about 250 pounds, and I didn't conceive of this genius idea of using my scaffolding prior to the need to take it off. We're going to do a lot of other maintenance issues, tackle those while we're at it, while we got this thing off. First and foremost, we want to get that fuel pump changed. I took the pump assembly out. As you can see, I've cleaned it up very nicely. Since I can't drop the tank, the only solution was to take the bed of the truck off. I've noticed that there's some issues with the fuel line where you gas up, put the fuel in. Some of this this rubber here is starting to crackle up. You can see when you grab hold to it, it blacks on your hand there, so that's a good sign that it needs to be replaced. That's all going to be done too. Let's see. Going to go ahead and replace some of the electrical back here. I've got some lights that's been dinged up and need to replace the plastic on those. It seems that those have dried out over time and they crackle up. You get a screwdriver on it, try to pop them off, and it just breaks the plastic clips. Probably just going to go ahead and fix those while I'm at it. It's a learning process. I don't have any idea what this thing does, but I'm going to find out. Probably replace that too, who knows, we'll see about it. Anywho, this is just the teardown phase. I'm over here replacing the pump on the fuel pump assembly. That's going pretty smooth. Hopefully I've found what the problem is, but maybe not. Always remember, and excuse the junk in the yard, I'm always busy doing something, never have time for myself. Always remember, disconnect the battery terminals before doing any kind of work on your electrical or fuel systems. Always check your fuses and your relays. I just replaced a fuel pump relay, went ahead and did that. Didn't hurt anything. I know that's not the problem. Didn't really have a means by which to test it. I probably should have, but at least I've got the additional relay. If I ever need it in the future, I can just plug the other one in. No loss there. It was only, I don't know, $5 to replace that. Not a big deal. There you have it. We will report back later on, see if it works, and if it doesn't, we'll amend this video and keep you posted on what the progress is. Thank you for watching.